Hey guys, it's Katie at scrappinkaty.ctmh.com, and I thought I would walk you through the May through August 2020 Craft with Heart scrapbooking subscription from Close to My Heart and show you guys what it looks like for this 4-month period, as well as let you know what is included in each kit if you are new to my channel. So I'm just going to grab the contents out of this box. Now you get 4 months at a time with the 4-month subscription or the annual subscription. Of course, I do the annual subscription, and you'll see that little square card. With an annual subscription, not only do you get free shipping, but you also get 30 free persnickety prints every 4 months. And then each kit, no matter what subscription package you get a 5x7 note card with an inspirational quote on the front, and then a message from our founder, Jeanette Linton. So I'm going to walk through the May 2020 kit in depth and show you what you get, and then kind of explain along the way the differences between the subscription packages. So each kit, no matter what you get, comes with this fully illustrated color guide that shows you the layouts you'll be making. They're labeled layouts 1 and layout 2, and it also comes with detailed instructions on what to do first, second, and then how to kind of finish up your layout. So each kit also comes with photo placeholders in case you were to make the layouts up and then add your photos later. You will also get a sticker sheet, again clearly labeled which ones of those stickers go with layouts 1 and layout 2. If there are any photo mats, those are also pre-cut for you and included in each kit. And then there are some die cut sheets, again labeled layouts 1 and layout 2. And those just punch out really easily. Again, you could use them for the intended layouts or switch them up. The other thing I love about this Craft with Heart subscription, not only is it quick and easy, but all the details that go into the layouts, like these pre-printed bases, make it look like you spent hours on your layouts. So I'm just showing you on this one, you can kind of rotate it and make it your own if you would like, and switch up, the left and the right layouts if that's what fits best for your photos. Also, each kit, no matter which subscription you choose, comes with 3 memory protectors, and those are top load. So I'm just going to speed through the rest of the months. Here is a look at June 2020, and again, kind of a girly ladybug one, and then definitely a summer one. Again, same things come in the kits: any photo placeholders, any pre-cut photo mats, sticker sheets, and die cuts. So here's a look at July 2020. Again, you've got some florals, and then down there at the bottom, you definitely could make that a beachy layout. And then again, keep in mind that each kit also comes with those 3 memory protectors, and it's made just to make this simple and easy, allow you to do your scrapbook pages and then immediately put them in your albums. So there is a look at August 2020. Again, I will leave all the details for the subscription prices down below, and then a link where you can go subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and sign up for notifications. And don't forget to check out my other Craft with Heart process videos.